Hello, my beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome to our channel. My name is Empress, and welcome to Empress Secret. For my old subscribers, I really appreciate and I will never take you for granted. God bless you for tuning in into this wonderful family. And if you're seeing this video for the first time, please know that we love you and I will really welcome you. Welcome to this wonderful family. And please don't forget to hit your red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you can be receiving tips video anytime I upload video, so you'll be the first person to watch and get the benefit of it. And please don't forget, if you watch any of my video and you find it helpful, maybe helpful to you or someone around you, please don't forget to share with them. Don't forget to invite people to come and subscribe so they can see more tips about this channel. And in this channel, please give me thumbs up, and please comment, say your mind. Anytime you watch my video, you want to ask question, you want to do anything, you can feel free to leave your comment in the comment section below. And don't forget, in this our channel we talk about health, and today I am called to talk about health, natural and spiritual tips. Now, in the natural aspect, we use the natural things God has created he has created to solve our physical and our spiritual problems. Just things like the things we use in our kitchen, things we use in food, the leaves around, the herbs, everything around, the water, everything that you don't know about that are very powerful. God has created them all for us to use them for our own benefit, for our own advantage. But it is quite unfortunate that we don't know and we don't believe, especially the Africans, since ever we embrace civilization. We have forgotten that in the days of our forefathers, what has been keeping us, what has been working for us, was the normal way of living, using the natural herbs, using the things. Before, we were not having all these things we call kidney stone, all this modern sickness, ulcer. In then days, our forefathers, they hardly get sick. They hardly get all this sickness that you will need to go to the hospital to operate you or to do something. You see, they use the natural things, which is the herbs we have around, to cure ourselves. So in today's video, let me not kill you with too much talk. In today's video, I'll be talking about how you can treat yourself if you're having pile. Pile is very painful, because I have experienced pile in my life. When I was small, I was having serious pile, and it was coming out when I was very, very small. Yes. And when I grew up, even at a stage of my life, I was still experiencing pile, and it was very painful. Sometimes you'll be having abdominal pain, seriously, that you cannot stand up. You'll be walking like goat. You'll be lying down. Sometimes it will not even allow you to lie down. It will not even allow you to stand up. Your ass will be paining you, especially when you sit for a very long time. For a very long time, it will give you that sensation, that pain in your anus. So today, what you will do, if you have a place you are, you know that scent leaf is very, very powerful. Scent leaf, basil leaf, spiritually and physically, scent leaf is powerful. What you need is scent leaf. Get yourself a scent leaf. If you're living abroad, get yourself a scent leaf, basil leaf. Go to the superstore, the grocery store. You tell them you want basil leaf. They will give you a pack of basil leaf. And please get much if you know you have been having this pie for a very long time. Because this is my pie. I am old enough now. So I know the length pie can stay in your body. I know some can stay 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Yes, some can just be there, but they will not come out. But they will be giving you sensation each time you trigger them with sitting too much, or you eat something that did not align with them. They will come up. Okay, so you get yourself a basil leaf, which is scent leaf in Nigeria. Then you get yourself bitter leaf, scent leaf and bitter leaf. Don't worry, when I'm done, I'll put these things I'm calling. You see the pictures of the leaves I'm calling before you click my video. I will put it there so you can see it at the thumbnail. So you get your bitter leaf, you get your scent leaf. If you're somewhere, you can still use these two scent leaf and bitter leaf. You squeeze it very well, squeeze it very well. You get the water, drink the water, then squeeze another fresh one small. Take from basil leaf, take from bitter leaf a little bit, add it, squeeze it, then put it in your anus and sit with it. Okay, and when you remove that thing, what you will do next is to get garlic, then use pin to pierce the garlic, okay, and chook it in your anus. So when you sleep, make sure you sleep with garlic in your anus. And then the basil leaf, each time you want to, in the morning you want to drink it, because you have to drink it empty stomach. Okay, when you drink it, you make sure after, when you wake up in the morning, you want to take shower, then the first one will go out. Maybe you poo in the morning, the first garlic will go out, you poo it out. Then when you drink that leaf, the basil leaf and the bitter leaf, then you will take little of it and put in your anus. Now if you're in a place where you can get pawpaw leaf, you know pawpaw leaf, yes, it's still very powerful for pie. You can still go and check. You get pawpaw leaf, get bitter leaf, get basil leaf, which is scent leaf, squeeze it together, get the liquid. You can add a little bit of sea salt, okay, or if you don't have a sea salt, you can still add just a little bit of your cooking salt. Okay, you add it inside, just little. For those that have high blood pressure, you can just skip this part, you leave the salt part. Okay, then you add it and drink. When you drink it empty stomach. When you get up in the morning, and the last thing you should eat before going to bed, you drink before going to bed, should be this liquid. Okay, then you use garlic and chook inside your anus and sleep. Then in the morning, your daytime, you put basil leaf, which is scent leaf, bitter leaf, and the pawpaw leaf mixed together. Mix it together, you know. Now just kill it, make it soft with liquid a little bit, then put it inside your anus. Do this constantly. You know how long this has been disturbing you. You know how you have been taking medicine everywhere. You know how they have been giving you things to drink and it doesn't work. Well, try this simple recipe. Sometimes we don't, our solution cannot come from someone else. Sometimes your hand is the only thing waiting for you to act so you can get healed. I used to tell people, sometimes use your hand and heal yourself. Your body only needs you, it doesn't need anybody. Get all these things, sit in your house, heal yourself. Stop walking from hospital to hospital. Good doctors will not even advise you to be taking drugs every day. Yes, good doctors will not, if they are not the greedy ones, the one that wants money, they will not advise you to be taking drugs. Yes, that's the reason why when you meet a nice doctor, they will not allow you to give your newborn baby drugs, all this medicine. They will not. They will ask you to breastfeed your baby. Whatsoever your baby needs, they will ask you to breastfeed. If he's crying, breastfeed him a lot. If you think he's having pain in the stomach or in his navel, they will ask you to breastfeed. But some people, they will tell you, give this one, give this one, give this one. Those things, they are likely chemicals. Yes, and when you start giving your child all this medicine now, your child's system will get used to drugs, and he will start being sick. Without giving him drugs, your child will not be happy, your child will not be okay again. So that's the reason why some good doctors, they will tell you not to give your child anything when you have a new baby. Just breastfeed. And mind you, when you breastfeed your child for only breast milk, no water, no food, for 6 to 7 months, you will see that your child will not fall sick. Your child will not fall sick. What other kids do and they fall sick, your child will go there, do it, and come back strong. You see? So please do this simple recipe. Make sure you chook it in your anus, garlic in the evening, sleep with it, and then in the day, your day-to-day daytime, you take pawpaw leaf, take basil leaf, which is scent leaf, you take bitter leaf, squeeze it, and put in your anus. Yes, put it in your anus. You can still add little salt if you can. It's painful, but not that the pain is not like when the sickness is paining you. No, you cannot compare the two pain. Do this, put it there, sit on it. You can wear anything that you know that it's black, that you cannot, because it will stain. The liquid there might come to stain your teeth. So that is the reason why you shouldn't wear white pants or white trousers when you're using it in your daytime, please. Okay, or you can do it like this. When you want to sleep, you use the leaf to put there. Maybe you're the type that is walking, so it will not affect you. Maybe the clothes you're wearing will not get stained. So when you want to sleep, you take the basil leaf, which is scent leaf, take bitter leaf, you take your pawpaw leaf, squeeze together, add a little bit salt and put in your anus and sleep. When you get up in the morning, you can shit it out, you can push it out. Then when you're going out, you use garlic and choke it. Now, the benefit of the garlic that you're putting is to help reduce the growth of that pile. When you add garlic inside your anus, it kills the pile from growing. That is why I asked you to put this. When you drink, if it is working in your system, then put direct to your anus. The pain is what will make that pain that is entering there, those things that is entering that is paining you, is the pile that is making it to pain you. So it will stop growing, it will not grow again. Some people, they are adult, but their pile is coming out big. So this is what will save you. Do it constantly. Don't see me because I am not wearing doctor clothes, or I am not wearing native doctor clothes. Don't judge a book by the cover, please. Just listen to what I'm saying, take what I'm saying, and leave me alone. Okay? You don't know who God has sent to help you. You don't know. Before I was called today to talk about health. Today I've been talking about health. How to fix our health. So before I was called, I know that somebody has prayed to the universe that they need help, and that is the prayer has gone to God. They have cross-checked your prayer, and they know that you really need help. So that's the reason why I am called today to talk about health. I know this video is going to help someone. It's going to help someone, and we are expecting rich testimony in this channel. So we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to add your 80% faith in everything you're doing with nature. Okay, your 80% faith is needed. So I have come to the end of this video. So if you've been watching this video for all this time I've been talking, please, if I've been talking too much, please pardon me. And thank you so much. Welcome to this wonderful family. In this channel, we talk about health, natural and spiritual tips. Okay, and in this our channel, we welcome everybody. We are family and we love each other. Please don't, if you see my video for the first time, please don't forget to hit your red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment. If there is any question, comment. If there is anything you feel you need to talk, you tell me. If there is any video you want me to talk about, you keep it below the comment section. If you want to get you want to talk to me privately, you can still keep your comments under the comment section. I will tell you how to get me. Okay, I will tell you how to get me. And please try this with faith and come back with your testimony. I know what God cannot do does not exist. So bye, love you. And for my old subscribers, mwah, bye, God bless you.